everyone, for this video, I'm going to show you how to block words on Instagram. Now, first thing you need to do is go to your profile and click on the three bars on the upper right corner and go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, click privacy. Once you're in the privacy, click on the hidden words. And once you're in this page, you can scroll down and you can see that you can custom words for messages and comments. So you can click manage custom words or phrases. In this bar, you can type a specific word you wish to block, and you can go back and click on hide comments, and also you can hide this on message requests. You can also custom words for your post, so you can click on manage custom words and phrases. Now you can still type a word you wish to block for your posts, and you can go back and click on hide posts. And that's it. That's how you block words on your Instagram account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.